Hello everyone, today in this video I will teach you how you can turn off auto dimming on your iPhone. So whenever you go to a brighter environment, your phone adjusts the brightness to a certain point which is too difficult for you to read. Or when you go to a darker place, your phone display is too light. So I'm here to fix it. How can you turn that off? So for that, you need to go to your settings, and now from here you need to go to accessibilities, and from here go to display and text size. Now you need to go all the way down, and you will find this option called auto brightness. When you turn this off, your auto dimming feature will be disabled, and now you don't have to worry about your phone getting too bright or getting too low. So you can adjust it from here as well. So yeah, that's how you turn off your auto dimming.